So if you're currently experiencing issues within the latest iOS 26.4, I have some great news that I wanted to share with you guys. We now have confirmed information that Apple is actively working on the next update, iOS 26.4.1. Now this will be a minor software update to address any bugs, security issues, and performance issues on iPhone within the latest iOS 26.4 recently released. Now, Apple is currently actively testing iOS 26.5, which is currently in beta. Keep in mind, this next software update will not become available until a month and a half or so. So before Apple releases 26.5, 26.4.1 could be released here shortly. Now, we have confirmed information from both Mac Rumors and 9to5Mac of Apple iPhones visiting their website running this latest update as testing continues for this software update. And now, in the past, this has been a reliable indicator that Apple could soon be releasing a new software update, and iOS 26.4.1 could be released here shortly. We're going to talk about what are some of the issues that Apple could be addressing and when we can expect this next update. So there's currently two issues being reported within iOS 26.4. Number one is performance issues. According to this post on Reddit, their iPhone becomes unresponsive and very laggy and hard to use in some cases. Now, I tried replicating this issue on my iPhone 17 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max, and I have to say I haven't encountered any performance issues on this device running iOS 26.4. But if you've encountered any issues and your iPhone just becomes laggy and super hard to use in terms of performance, let me know in those comments down below, because I can't replicate this issue, and if this continues, then obviously this would be one of the issues that Apple could be addressing. However, I did notice that after using low power mode on an older device like an iPhone 13 Pro or even 14 Pro, sometimes the iPhone becomes laggy when using the operating system. So right here, this iPhone 17 Pro Max, it's got right there about 15% of battery life. So if I go into the control center and activate low power mode, not always, but sometimes there's performance issues when navigating the OS. So for some reason, it becomes extremely choppy in some cases, especially on older devices, when you enable low power mode running the latest iOS 26.4. Now again, it doesn't happen all the time, and it's going to depend on the device, but low power mode seems to be throttling the devices more than it should, and in some cases crippling the performance for some users. And I've experienced this on iPhone 13 and even iPhone 16 Pro Max briefly when enabling low power mode. So let me know if you experience choppiness and performance issues on iOS 26.4 when you enabled low power mode. Now, I've also noticed an increasing number of reports of excessive battery drain within the latest iOS 26.4. Now, I have to be honest, personally, with this latest update, battery life for me has been excellent. I get anywhere from 8 to 9 hours of on-screen time. I'm a heavy user, but obviously battery life is always going to depend on how you use your device, your charging habits, and even your iPhone's battery health. If you want to learn more, I have a video on this. Links will be down below. So hopefully, if you have any issues with performance and battery life, iOS 26.4.1 will be here shortly to address some of these issues. So naturally, the next question is, when can we expect this update? Well, if history is any indication, once we start seeing this software update being tested by Apple, within a week or two, Apple releases the software. So this software update, 26.4.1, can honestly release at any moment now. Perhaps even by the time you watch this video, it could be out. But my best guess is that it won't go past next week, the week of the 13th. So I'll keep you guys posted. We have about a week to a week and a half before we see this next software update, iOS 26.4.1. Again, hopefully to address performance issues and battery life concerns and battery drain for some users. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.